In this video, we will start on with a new topic, and the topic is case study lumbering in Canada. Okay, children. Now, let us first know that what is the meaning of the activity lumbering. Okay, case study means studying anything in detail. So, under this heading, we will be studying the activity of lumbering in Canada in detail. Okay, so children, as we know that in many parts of the world, in many countries, and even in Canada, there are abundant forest. Abundant means there is a lot big area which is full of forest. And the main activity in these forests is cutting the trees for the wood which is used for making various products. This activity is known as lumbering. Okay, so here we are studying about which area? We are studying about Canada. So here also there are abundant forest. It means a lot of area is under the forest. So here the people, they cut the trees in large numbers in order to get the wood, and from the wood they make many products. This activity is known as lumbering. Now children, from the wood which is taken out of the forest, so many things they are made, like paper, newsprint, synthetic fibers, wood which is used for making furniture, etc. So, wood is cut on a very big scale in Canada. Now, children, lumbering, apart from cutting the wood and using it for various products, it also includes the planting, growing, and caring for the plants. And in this, especially to look after the trees. Okay. Now, in order to protect the trees, it also involves the use of pesticides in order to save the trees from the pest and the diseases. And even it includes the saving the forest from the forest fires, because it can be very dangerous. It can destroy a lot many trees in a very big area. So it also includes protecting the trees from the pest and the diseases, and even from the forest fire. Now let us see what is logging. Children, what is logging? Cutting the wood from the forest and taking it to the factories and the sawmills. This activity, it is known as logging. And the people, those who help in this activity, they are known as lumberjacks or loggers. They are also known as lumbermen. So you see, children, the people, those who are involved in this activity of logging, they are known by as lumberjacks also. They can also be named as loggers and even as lumbermen. Now, as I have already told you that in this chapter we are studying about Canada. So in here we are having a very big area which is having coniferous or the taiga forest. And in this forest there is a large area which is full of softwood trees like poplar, spruce, cedar, jack pine, and hemlock. These are the main trees which are the softwood trees which is found in the coniferous or the taiga forest in Canada. Okay, now let us see that why lumbering, it is a very popular industry in Canada. So what are the things which favors this activity in Canada? So let us see, children. The first thing is the abundant sources of softwood coniferous trees. As I had already explained you that here we are having a large variety of softwood trees like poplar, spruce, cedar, jack pine, and hemlock. So it also contributes to the activity of lumbering. Secondly, children, here we are having a large sources of hydroelectric power, which is mainly from the streams. The water of the streams, it is utilized for making the hydroelectric power. Thirdly, here we are having modern mechanical mills, which also helps a lot in lumbering activity. Apart from that, here we are having well-maintained rail, water transportation facilities, etc. And they are very, very well developed. And this also contributes to the activity of lumbering in Canada. And the last thing which favors is the small population. So all these are the main factors which help in lumbering activity in Canada, or we can say these are the things which favor this activity in Canada. So let us study about it in detail. First of all, we'll see the activity of logging. Now, children, what is logging? Logging, it is an activity which is done by the lumberjacks, as I have already told you, those who are also known as lumbermen or loggers. They do this activity and they live in the log camps. And these log camps, they are in the forest where the lumbering activity takes place. Now, you can see the lumberjack log houses in Ontario. They stay in these houses and they help in the activity of logging. Children, here let us study about the geographic fact. Now, here we will be studying about a new term that is known as lumberjill. Now, what is lumberjill or who are lumberjill? The women, those who are involved in the profession of lumbering, they are known as lumberjill. And these lumberjills, it was named in Britain during the Second World War.